Thank you guys for tuning in to All Things of Life with the Walker family. Today on Tisha's Plate, I am bringing you guys a seafood scampi recipe. You don't want to miss this, I'm telling you, because it is and it was quite delicious. Act like you don't know when you do. Stay tuned for this recipe. If you got any questions, comment down below. And I'll see you guys in a moment. So let's start by boiling our pasta first. So while we waiting on our pasta, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic to 1 tablespoon of hot oil. And then we're going to add our clams. I had some little neck clams that I had soaked. And I soaked them in some water. And I put about a half a cup of black pepper inside of that water so that they can spit out all of the dirt and get them real clean or whatever. But right there, all I did was put the clams in. I put the lid on. I removed the lid once I saw the clams opening up. And then I topped it with some fresh parsley, 1.5 cups. And I mixed it. And that's about it. All right, everything is almost ready. The clams and the pasta. Now we're going to cook our shrimp. 2 tablespoons of oil. Our shrimp. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, paprika, chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's make sure that we pour that lovely juice off them shrimp and save it and put it to the side. Now let's cook our crab legs. Heat up your oil, add 2 tablespoons of garlic, put your crab legs right on in, just toss them, and then you're going to put a teaspoon of paprika, chili powder, lemon pepper, and sea salt. Just enough for the crab legs. Put your top on and let it do its thing. 10 minutes later, halfway through, I flipped it and now they're ready. Melt a half a stick of butter, and then to that you're going to add half a cup of diced onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. You just want to cook this until the onions are soft and the garlic is really fragrant and roasted, almost brown. Not burnt. Do not burn your garlic. You don't want burnt garlic in your pasta. When that's ready, all you're going to do is add in that shrimp broth, and then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of lemon juice, okay? Stir that really good because you want those flavors to marry each other. And then you're going to bring that to a boil, okay? When it boils, add in your pasta, and make sure when you add your pasta in, turn off your heat, okay? Do not overcook your pasta. Turn your heat off and then toss it really good in that sauce. Look at it. Look at it. You don't need a lot. You don't need to overdo it with the sauce, guys. Don't go bananas, okay? Don't go crazy. A little light. That's all you need, and you're good to go. Now let's eat. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in to All Things of Life with the Walker family. We truly appreciate it. If you have any questions, do not forget to just put them down below. Hit that bell so you can be notified. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can also send this to a friend or two. On the up and up. I'll catch y'all later.